Hello everyone, welcome to TechNOS, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find a really good username for your YouTube channel in 2018. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Before starting this video, be sure to smash that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe it right now. Turn on the notifications. I create same videos as this one, so please subscribe to my channel. Now let's get to the video. So in order to get the username, what you have to do, go to Google and type in random made up word generator. So once you have done that, click this website. The link to this website will be in the description below. So now what you have to do is go right over here, just click generate fake words, and you're gonna get the fake words. For example, let's just click this and let's see what good name we come up with. So for example, we have this name on this site, so you can use this. You can use Waxo, or you can mix it up and make it Vasco, whatever you want to do. And there are many choices that you can go through and choose your YouTube username, your new channel username. Like this Fluffster, you can put that as your username. And Skizzle, it's a very great username it can be. And what else can you do? Like Echo, and you know the point. Just generate the fake words and choose one of them. Hopefully you're gonna get your username that you like, and hopefully this video is going to be help you. So if you have enjoyed it, go smash that like button, and please subscribe to my channel so you can watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and peace out.